Okay, here I go some more. I'm trying to turn around in the snow over here. Me and Stephanie and the kids. Oh my God. It was Mommy's car.
I turned my car button off. I was trying to keep y'all from being frozen.
We had the heat on.
And not have my windows, but especially when I go up, it's going to be
Here's a
off.
truck.
I'm not going yet.
Oh.
I'm
It's
letting you look
really
at it 'cause I gotta
fluffy.
go.
Jaden. All because Mommy rolled down her window doesn't even roll down ours, okay?
Don't touch it.
No.
Oh, you're turning? Okay, he's turning. All right. Oh,
Okay.
well, I guess it's car jacked up. Well, maybe.
No, he's doing something.
No, it looks like the front of his car's all messed up. I don't know what he's doing.
Maybe
but
somebody
I
hit him.
That's the wrong.
He's on the wrong side of the road.
They can't see the wipers.
Oh,
It looks like somebody hit him.
yeah.
Like his wipers are
No, like
Yeah,
somebody
but he
hit
should
him.
have called for somebody and then pulled over.
Look at all those. Okay,
Logs. I'm going
Yeah.
to drive now.
Okay, okay, you guys be very quiet. Don't stress my daughter. Oh my God, check it out. Check it out.
Remind you that
Check it out, Lord. Jesus.
Air One, worship now. 59 seconds of hope. Levi Lusko.
there are 6,000 stars that are visible to the naked eye from planet Earth, but only 2,000 of those can be seen from.
What was that?
I turned the music down.
Oh no, I was just trying to hear what I was trying to hear. I mean, it's blowing snow flurries. Can you imagine?
I want snowflakes.
No, we're good. We're going home and get warm.
These are like clumpy flakes.
No, yeah, those are flakes, snowflakes.
But I want snowflakes.
Oh my God.
Not this poof. Not the soft flakes. Snowflakes. We can touch. We can get them on your tongue.
That was the first sighting of it snowing.
What?
I'm going to crack the window for a second for the windows.
Awesome.
Don't mess with the window.
Jaden,
Oh,
stop.
I did that because I can't see out of them.
Oh, just open them, Stephanie. We're fine.
Oh, now I can put mine.
Oh, driving through the snowstorm on Rishi Canyon on the mountain. Yes, Jaden, it is. It's a snowstorm. It is literally socked in snow.
Okay, once I get to the peak, I'll put my fog back on.
Yeah.
On that mountain,
Right now I
I saw
can't
a
see.
snowball.
Awesome.
Okay. I cannot see out of that window.
Awesome. Everybody in Moreno Valley is coming up this mountain.
It's too cold. I can't get out again.
I don't know why.
I'm frozen.
We're not frozen. We can pull over and play.
I am feeling perfectly fine.
Tell her,
Toes. I
Jasanya.
can't feel my toes.
I can feel mine. Oh my God, look at. Sorry. She said, well, don't go down too far if we're going to stop again.
I wasn't. I'm
Oh.
hungry.
Oh.